Hello everyone, how are you all? I think all are fine. Okay, so students, today we will discuss about LCM. Okay, first question arises here, what is the full form of LCM? So full form of LCM is least common multiple. Now step by step we will discuss what is the meaning of least common multiple. Okay, let us come here multiple. All of you have remembered the multiplications. I think all of you have remembered. Okay, multiplication, like if I will write here the table of 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. So it means in this way, it means 4, 8, 12, 16. These all are the multiples of 4. Okay, this is a table of 4. So 4, we are discussing here about multiple, word multiple. So what is the meaning of multiple? Multiple means 4, 8. If we will write a table, then we get 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. So it means 4, 8, 12 and 16. These are multiples. These are multiples of 4. So we will write here multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. In this way we can write. Okay, these all are multiples of 4. Let us take one more multiple. Let us take multiple of 6. Multiple of 6. Okay, multiple of 6 when we will write, then we will write the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. So it means the result that we get here 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48. In this way we will write here the table of 6, even the multiples of 6, and we will also write the multiples of multiples of 4, 28, 32, 36, 40. Okay, and 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30. 30 I haven't written here. So 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. So these are multiples of 6. These are multiples of 4 and these are multiples of 6. Now let us come to the next word, that is common. Okay, common multiple. Now we will find here the common multiple between 4 and 6. Common multiple means that numbers that are same here. Okay, so here the common multiples means same numbers that match in the multiples of 4 and also in the multiple of 6. Okay, that numbers that comes in the multiples of 4 and multiples of 6. So look here, the common multiples. Common multiples. So here common multiples are, look here, 4, 8, 12. Look here, 12 comes in the table of 4 and 12 also comes in the table of 6. So it means this 12 is a common multiple. So circle this. Now next common multiple is 24. 24 comes in the multiple of 6 and 24 also come in the table of 4. So 24 is also a common multiple. Now after this, look here, 36. 36 comes in the table of 6 and 36 also comes in the table of 4. So circle this. 36. 36. Okay, 36 is the common multiple. Okay, so these are the common multiples. Okay, let us come to the next word, that is least. So least means small. Okay, what is the meaning of least? Least means small. Now let us take these three words combinedly. Least common multiple. Least common multiple. Now look here, common multiples we have written here. Common multiples of 4 and 6 we have written here, 12, 24, 36. Now find here the least common multiples. Least common multiple, that is least. Least means small. So which is the small common multiple here? So here 12, you can see here 12. 12 is the least one. Least one and common multiple. Okay, so right here least common multiple. So least common multiple is 12.
Between two numbers, among three numbers, among four.
Only one least common multiple comes. Okay. So least common multiple is 12. Many common multiples comes.
Between two numbers, among three numbers.
But least common multiple only one. Okay. So 12 is the least common multiple. And you can write it LCM. The short form of least common multiple is LCM. You can write it LCM is equal to 12. So this is least common multiple. Let us take another example.
Let us find common multiple among 5, 6 and 10.
Okay, so what we will do, firstly we will write the multiples of 5, then multiples of 6, then multiples of 10. Okay, so let us write here multiples of 5. Multiples of 5 is equal to, so multiples of 5 are, you all know the table of 5. Just write here 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. Now write the multiples of 6. Multiples of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. Now write the multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100. Okay, these are the multiples. This is the multiple of 5. You can see here, this is the table of 5. Okay, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20 in this way. And this is a multiples of 6. This is a table of 6 that we can call multiples of 6. Okay. Now this is a multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay. These are multiples of 10. Now we will find here the common multiples. After that we will find here the least common multiple. Now let us find the common multiple. Now look here.
Among these three numbers,
Find here that number that is common among the three numbers. Okay. Now let us find here that common number that is common among these three numbers. Okay, because we have to find the least common among these three numbers. Now look here. In this number 30 comes. 30 also comes in this number. 30 also comes in this number. It means 30, 30, 30. 30 is the common multiple here. So just write down here common multiple. Common multiples is equal to 30. Okay. If you want to write another common multiples, then find here which one is a common multiple. I think there is no common other multiple. Then we will expand the table of 5. Okay. 5 11s are 55. 5 12s are 60. Okay. 5 13s are 65. Now look here. 60 comes in this multiple of 5, and 60 also come in this multiple, and 60 also comes in this multiple. Okay, multiple of 10. So just round 60 and 60 and 60 here. So it means the other common multiple is 60. If you want to find the third common multiple, then expand the tables. Then you can find the third common multiple. But if the question is find the LCM of 5, 6 and 10, then no need to expand the table more and more. Okay, then you can just write the 1 or 2 common multiples, after that find the LCM. Okay, now LCM, here the LCM is least common multiple. Now look here in these common multiples 30 and 60, which one is the least? Least means small. So 30 is the least. Okay, least common multiple. So it means LCM least common multiple is 30. So among 5, 6 and 10, the least common multiple is 30. The LCM of 5, 6 and 10 is 30. So this is the way. Try to follow this way and you can find the answers easily. Thank you.